every day I get up and I'm excited because I don't know what I'm going to learn today. And I've taken a lot of online courses in my time, and I've taken online courses on a lot of different things. And I know that the courses that we offer online provide you with deep, insightful, and creative learning. And in July, we have 7 courses on sale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 courses on sale. And you have that opportunity when you buy one of our courses. You don't have to do it right away. It's the middle of summer. I can't do it. It's okay. You can save it for October. We provide you with assistance if you have trouble with the download or anything. We're right there. Patrick's there to give you a hand, and Angela's there to give you a hand. And you can save. You can buy the course now, save it for later. When you invest in learning about rug hooking, I think you invest in yourself, really, and you invest in your own creativity. And we only offer them half price, once a year. They're not um, they're not all exactly half price, are they, Ange? I'm not sure. Some of them are half price. Some of them are like 40% off. Something right. They vary. But like we have tiny landscapes. We have the Sea Garden Abstract. And so we have some courses, and we have like hooking freestyle, which, as you can see, I'm into. If you want to learn with me, today and tomorrow are your last days to learn. So that's Tuesday. It ends on Tuesday. And I really want you to have that last chance to join us, because I just think that, well, I know that when I share rug hooking, I sometimes don't know what I'm sharing, because people come back and they tell me what they learned. And it's oftentimes just about art, life, and creativity as much as it is about rug hooking itself. So I hope you'll take the time to have a look at the website, see what we have on sale, and join me. 7 on sale, hookingrugs.com. And there's some really good learning there. And I know, because I wrote them. See ya. Come spend time with me. Bye-bye.